Another day in the life. Blue is the color. Blue pendant. Okay, I'm excited. I'm finally going to pick something amazing. Well, today's outfit you can say is a smiley face and blue in color. Apparently we're just going to get something amazing. Being able to take something out of the bucket list, wow, it feels amazing. Let's go get it and let's see if they delivered. Please like the video, by the way, shares out there, comment section, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm up here. You can just check out my social media pages at Ms Maureen, Miss Maureen kila mahali, MOREEN. I had some unfinished business with my nail tech, so it's kind of palette fix kidogo. It was actually really hot in here, and I was like, you guys just get us a fun. But anyways, I love the fact that nowadays my skin is glowing. I'll be doing some product reviews and all the ones that I have tried, people's comments, all that. Anyways, let's get into the nail business. As we proceed to the next one, you have to stay pretty. Yeah. Yes, like the video, shares out there, talk to me, all those. But I was, why am I looking like this anyways? Well, I decided to get some veggies, kama kawaida, some lemons, and as they always say, when you get any lemons in your life, just turn it into lemonade. I also got some ginger, ginger and tangawizi. Is it the same thing? Oh my goodness. Anyways, ginger, tangawizi, bananas, well, just some things. I don't know why I was touching the tomatoes. But I had to get all of them so that I could at least make a concoction for myself and also, spice up that food before we go get our main thing of the day. So also decided to go and pick some spices from this spice guy. I took black pepper, beef masala, I took paprika. What else did I take? Well, usually these are the main ones that I took for the day. Also went and bought some honey. Yeah, honey, namita honey. How does that song go? And then I went to this chick place to check out the prices for broilers and all, because I have been thinking of getting into chicken farming and all, but I'm not yet sure. But I just went to confirm the price of a single chick. Tuone ama tuta survive in the farmer side. Wherever where there's money, you go for it. If I do become a chicken mom, I'll tell you right here. So make sure like the video, shares out there, and also subscribe. Well, I had so many activities, quick here and there. I decided to go and purchase some hair. I was like, guy, do I do braids? What do I do? They any choices. What will I choose from all these? Hizi zilikuwa zinadikalia fiti, but then you need more than one pack. And then I also confused, do I buy these ones or do I go for like a wig or something? Now this is the first wig that caught my eye. Actually inakaa fiti, but then I'm not really a person of, I don't know, it's the forehead or what. So I went to a workplace. They had a variety of them, but this video is so fast. I've just noticed that short clips of what we did during the day. We don't want it to be too long for you guys. So nikaenda place a week. Nikajicheki kwa kioo, cheki keki na kuona vile unanicheki. Anyways, and then finally I decided to take one that looks really amazing. And then the woman was friendly to me and she got herself a new client. All of in a couple. Check it them. Niliona here, I was like, do I take this one? I used to have like this one before, but today all I wanted was color, rangi, color, not black. I want color. Alafu najua itakupea service. Sinakwambia mimi So these are some other varieties that nikiwa hapo nje tu nilikuwa nachukua. So look at that color. Hapa ndo sasa the colors are starting to come in. Hichi even kuna kapiga smart. Oh, let's focus. Finally I picked the ones I wanted, and we had also picked our parcel. Hapa tulikuwa tushafungua and it's time to test it and all. I've done a whole unboxing video on it, so just check in the description for that link, or you can just check unboxing with Miss Maureen. I've done an entire video on that and my reaction and everything. But ilikuwa kumaliza, it's just part of the day. I've already worn this sweater. Jamani, my house is cold. The place I stay is cold. Haitambui if you're a singular urban or anything. In the 14 inch. Kwani ni WhatsApp swali nilikuwa nimedescribe hapo. A little confused right here if really I got whatever I'd ordered for, but so far so good. I'm loving the microphone that came with this package, and the ring light, but it's Jamaica, so far so good. But checking into the camera, it was really nice, although while using on the phone it isn't that super nice, unlike my previous one and all. I was like, guy, kwani nimechezo, but all in all I just checked the clips and I discovered it was a good thing. If you've watched this far, I love you so much. Please just check the description for more videos. Make sure you watch this unboxing one. It will be in the description too. And like the video, shares out there. Just tell someone we do exist. The different types, different modes, but honestly, let me see. Off. It's bright, but not as bright as the other one. It's not a bright, but kuna ka difference. It will serve a purpose when they are both there. You see, once we add that one, there's clearly that's the difference. I'm not totally totally lost. Anyways, there you have it. Our package is here. Not that pleasing. It's not that bright, but it's bright cast small. Mami ndo sifikishi mwisho. With the time I'll adjust to it and all. But always look at the number of watts. Because you see that one, the other one is 30 watts and it's really bright. I have a cold and I'm still eating sugary things. Okay. Thank you for watching this far. Now game on. Why are you not so bright? Anyways, there we go. Nice day. Down. Thank you for watching this far. If you watched this far, I love you and appreciate you so much. Tell me, do you feel like it has a difference? I'll still learn to adjust these ones. Only 14 inch. I like it. Honestly, I like it. It's pretty. But when it comes to the amount of light, I'll have to let it bright like that. Anyways, I thank you for watching this. So if you watched this far, love you. See you on the next one. Mwah. Check out in the description for more videos, or just click somewhere here for more videos. Mic testing.